He knocked the shoes right off of him. All right, guys, we got another video for you, another react video. Let's get into it. Let's go. Alright guys, let's get into this video. First things first, they're obviously in the middle of the road. They're in a traffic section. Let's just not get out of the car. Let's avoid this fight at all costs. One, someone could hit you, super dangerous. Two, nobody wants to wait in their car for you to get in a fight. So just don't get out of your car. But if you are in this situation, you did get out of the car, or maybe someone's hitting your car and you had to get out, we got a fight enders tips, tricks, lessons, all for you for free for watching this video. Just go to the link, click on the description, and get yours. You won't be listening to some YouTube editor like myself. You'll be listening to professionals, people from the military, very high up, Green Berets, special ops. We have it all real people giving you real lessons for some fight enders. We got some cage fighters, some MMA fighters. We got real professionals. It won't be from me, but let's get into this fight. So the first thing I realized that we have, I think, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, we've literally never seen this. Both of them have their hands up and they're ready to fight. So if someone's coming towards you in a self-defense situation with their hands are up, indicating that they're prepared to fight and they know how to fight, look at their threat level. Look at the person's demeanor, the body language to engage their intent. Are they aggressive or threatening, or do they even know how to fight? This looks like they both know how to fight, or at least defend themselves. So you're going to have to keep that in mind. That's like one, once you see that, I would maintain distance. Keep a safe distance from that person to avoid being within the striking range. This allows you more time to think. Watch these videos so you have that muscle memory in your head of what to do, and a great way of doing that is maintaining distance. Click that link in the description. You'll get lessons of what to do once they start coming into your circle. Start using your voice, man. Attempt to diffuse the situation verbally by speaking calmly. Put your arms up if you really feel like that guy, is getting closer and closer to that striking range, but use your voice, your gestures, your language. Try to stay calm with your voice so they don't think that, we're both humans. They're both humans in this situation. So if your hands are up, their hands are going to be up if they know how to fight. And maybe you want to keep your arms up because you don't want to get hit, but use your voice to try to de-escalate the situation. Because you have that distance and you're using your voice to try to not get in a fight, use that time to prepare for defense. Mentally prepare yourself for a potential physical attack. Adopt a self-defense stance or keep your hands up in a non-threatening manner. There's a lot of instructors on this channel, or if not, they're in the fight enders in the link in the description. They'll say keep your hands up like in the movies when cops say freeze and everyone throws their hands up like that. They'll even say do that, because if your palms are out in front of you, it looks less threatening than if your fists are clenched, So keep your palms up and put that in front of you, so they know that you're like, hey, I don't want any trouble. I don't want to fight. Keep on backing up. Get that distance, but at least your hands are in front of your body and your face, so you can get ready to clench your fist or block that face, whatever you need to do. This is definitely a situation for this. If the situation allows and it's safe to do so, consider moving to a safer location, creating distance between you and him. This situation should never happen. You should never see a fight, and I know there's millions of YouTube videos of fights in the middle of the street, but that is definitely somewhere you don't want to fight. So keep on backing up and be like, hey bro, I'm not going to fight in the street, whatever you need to. But with all that said, and you keep on backing up, you have your palms out in front of you, up in the ready position. You're getting ready to defend yourself. Focus on defending yourself. Keep calm so you can focus on what is the next step. If you don't know how to fight, like I've said 80 times, hit that link in the description. But maybe just everything goes out the window. Seek help. If you feel threatened or overpowered, call for help. Tell someone to call 911. Do what you need to while you keep on stepping back and trying to have that safe position. Look for an escape route. Always, always, always in a fight, keep that distance so you could be looking around, so you know where any exits or escape routes are. Remember, the goal in self-defense is to protect yourself. It's not just to cause harm to your opponent. Both parties, try to avoid this. Watch your locations, your surroundings, and you'll be able to improve your situation. He got knocked out. The guy didn't fight him anymore. He even puts his hands on his hips like, man, you made me do that, bro. His shoe got knocked off. So he's just sitting there, probably a hot day, because he has a, none of them have sweaters on. He has like a tank top, probably just burning his skin on the road. Now embarrassed because one shoe got knocked off. I don't know, man. What do you guys think? Is there anything else you would do in this situation? Have you ever personally seen a fight in the middle of the street? I'm sure you guys have all seen YouTube videos. Was it crazy for the first time for us to react to a video that both guys had their hands up? I don't know. That's like, you would think you would see that more, but this is literally, I've done like 100 of these, and this is like the first one I've ever seen where both guys are in the ready position. Crazy. What would you do in this situation? What should others do in this situation? We're a community, guys. Help people with your knowledge. Put it in the comments section. Let them know. And if you want more help, click on the link in the description. You'll get some real tips and lessons from real professionals. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.